Meet Superpack, a pioneer in lead-acid batteries and a passionate advocate for green energy solutions. As a leading manufacturer of lead-acid batteries, Superpack is committed to powering the future with green energy solutions. With more than a decade of expertise in lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, our dedicated renewable energy team is dedicated to creating products that not only meet today's needs, but also protect the planet for tomorrow. At Superpack, we believe in harnessing the power of renewable energy. Our cutting-edge technology ensures that every battery we produce is efficient, reliable, and environmentally friendly. Our diverse product lineup includes SLA replacement batteries, designed to seamlessly replace traditional lead-acid batteries, ensuring reliability and performance. Medical batteries that power critical medical devices, giving you peace of mind when it matters most. Our portable power stations bring you energy, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency backup. Don't forget our high-performance lithium-ion batteries, designed for long life and high efficiency. Need something unique? Our custom batteries are built to meet your specific needs, ensuring you get the perfect power solution. From powering your home to high-performance lithium-ion batteries, Superpack batteries are at the forefront of the green energy revolution. We're not just about batteries. We're about building a sustainable future. Our commitment to green energy drives us to innovate and improve, ensuring our products contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. Join us on our journey toward a sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference, one battery at a time.